Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's June 15, 2026. Elon Musk moved one step deeper into business history as excitement around a potential SpaceX IPO pushed estimates of his wealth into trillion-dollar territory, at least on paper, highlighting the extraordinary scale of private space and tech markets. Los Angeles City Council member Nithya Raman advanced to the city's mayoral runoff, marking a major moment in one of America's most closely watched local political races. A new report warns that diabetes is rapidly spreading into India's most remote communities, raising concerns about healthcare access, early detection, and long-term disease management. BitSync 2026 brought together innovators, technologists, and alumni to explore emerging technologies and discuss how AI is reshaping industries and communities. A U.S. federal judge blocked the proposed $100,000 H-1B visa fee, offering temporary relief to employers and foreign professionals, while the legal battle continues. TiECon 2026 spotlighted artificial intelligence, strengthening U.S.-India technology ties, and exploring how innovation can address global economic and social challenges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's historic 10-year milestone drew praise from U.S. envoy Sergio Gore, who highlighted growing momentum in India-U.S. engagement. Indian origin students delivered standout performances at the inaugural Presidential AI Challenge, reflecting the growing influence of young talent in emerging technologies. Indian American tech advisor Sriram Krishnan announced his exit from the White House, closing a chapter in his role shaping policy conversations around technology and innovation. Emory University has selected Sabi Mitra to lead its Goizueta Business School, bringing extensive academic and leadership experience to one of the nation's leading business programs. The appointment reflects the growing influence of Indian origin leaders across higher education. Scientist Akanksha Jain has been named a 2026 Rita Allen Foundation Scholar, recognizing promising early career researchers advancing breakthroughs in science and medicine. Publishing veteran Geeta Manaktala will lead Columbia University Press, marking another milestone for Indian origin leadership in global academic publishing. The University of Alabama in Huntsville has appointed Srinath Ekad as Dean of Engineering, reinforcing its focus on innovation and advanced research. Pradeep Ramulu has been appointed chair of the Bascom Palmer Eye Institute, one of the world's leading centers for ophthalmology and vision research. Former bureaucrat Anil Swarup examines the challenges facing India's education system and argues for reforms that go beyond administrative fixes. A sharp analysis explores whether India risks falling behind in artificial intelligence despite its talent advantage, raising questions about policy and long-term innovation strategy. India is mourning the loss of legendary shooter Jaspal Rana, remembered for his achievements and impact on generations of Indian athletes. Members of Congress pay tribute to technology leader and entrepreneur S. Somasegar, recognizing his contributions to innovation and startup growth. A new vision for American cricket is emerging as technology and sports combine, with plans to transform Oakland into a major cricket destination. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.